welcome back to another video. I'm so excited today. We are decorating for Christmas. As you can see, we put up our tree last night. We fluffed it out and we also flocked it. Flocking is basically like frosting your tree, making it look like there was like a snowfall on it. And if you would like to check that video out, I just posted it. And you can see how we flocked our tree. So today we are decorating our apartment for Christmas. This is what the chaos looks like right now. So this is our tree. We need to take off the tarp that we used to cover the windows so that we didn't get it all messed up. But we have all of our like throws and stockings, tree skirt in there that we're gonna replace everything with, and then all of our ornaments and everything's on the table right now. So Anthony, and then just some extra goodies on the island. So we're gonna get the tarp off and then we're gonna start decorating. Woo!
Christmas Day.
It was a success. We took the tarp out. The flock doesn't smell that great. We're just gonna Swiffer the floor real quick. But we got it out. And my hands are dirty. It does smell like fart.
It smells like farts.
A little side note, if you're flocking your tree, flock spray smells like fart. You know what the good thing and the bad thing about this apartment is that the windows are huge, so you get a lot of light in, but along with the light you get like a really hot sun and it gets trapped in here. So we literally have the AC blasting in here and I'm pretty sure it's like 40 degrees outside.
But also like that is
I know, but I can still feel the heat through the blinds. This is what we have. Other window situation right now. It looks so bright, right? Nope, there's blinds on the window right now. So perks of having huge windows, a lot of sunlight. I'm grateful, but seriously, it's really hot in here. Okay, first step, we're gonna put the lights on. We're gonna string the lights up before we put any of the ornaments on. We got a tree that was not pre-lit or pre-flocked. We wanted to light it and flock it ourselves because it saves a couple $100. So that's what we're gonna do now.
Christmas Day.
So this is the outfit of someone who is heading to Walmart to grab lights because the lights that they bought don't fully wrap around the tree. Show me your outfit. Show me your trying to find some extra Christmas lights outfit.
This is just simple, you know, bands.
You look so cool.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do.
This is, look, bands, no sock, sweats that don't even think fit me anymore, Nike.
But it works.
And a hoodie I got at Marshall.
Looks good. Secured the goods. They're not the same ones. These are the ones that we originally bought.
Same thing.
But I'm gonna plug them in and test it out and see if they're the same thing. Hopefully they are, but I like the ones that we have on the tree right now, so hopefully. Which one
twist.
should we put on first?
Do we need more twists, you think?
No, I think these come with, they should come, right? They
The
don't
hook.
come with the hook?
Oh. I don't know.
No, I have them right here.
I don't have to.
Oh,
Is that more than enough, you think?
yeah. Because these guys come with, nah, I didn't know that these didn't come with those little green things.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, plus these?
Yeah,
Want me
there's
to-
300.
You want me to hook them and I hand them to you?
Yeah.
Right?
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. And it's broken.
Our first casualty.
This is good. This is great. Everything's going okay. Workshop. Ant's Christmas workshop. It's so cute. This is our tree right now. It's looking so good. We're not done. We're still trying to fill it up. But it looks so pretty so far. This is one of my favorite ones. One of my favorite ones. See how pretty it is? You want me to tell them why? I'm not sure why. It's just so pretty. I love how like creamy and delicious it is. few hours later and we just finished putting our tree together. Look how beautiful that looks. It looks so good. We have our little tree skirt underneath. He put our star up. I don't know if you can see it twinkling up there. And then this is what our living area looks like. So we have our little tree, our little village. It's not a village, but it's just one house. But look how cute that looks. I'm so obsessed. And then our beautiful, so soft and cozy throw pillows and blankets. But just like look, standing from here, like how gorgeous that looks. I don't know if you can see. Oh, I love it so much. If this ain't a Pinterest Christmas, I don't know what is. Okay, so we just finished decorating the house. It looks so good. I'm so happy with it. Look, the tree is so sparkling, it's twinkling. I love it, and look at the star. I'm so excited. So now the last thing that we need to do is put our presents, because we filled our Christmas tree box with the presents so that we could flock our tree. And now we just have to put these presents underneath the tree. And then everything will be done. So I'm gonna do that now. Thank you so much for watching this video. It was so much fun decorating for Christmas. This is my favorite time of year, my favorite season, and especially with what this year has brought to us, like this is my last little bit of hope to have like a beautiful time during this year. Thank you so much for watching this video. It was so much fun decorating, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Let's get our subscriber count up. Bye guys, thank you.